I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a medkit and it's usable. Check count and durability. This prevents wasted attempts. Next, equip it to a quick slot so you can deploy without menu delays. Once you're in the lane, prioritize who needs it, yourself if health is below the set threshold, or a teammate in clear sight. Use short, deliberate taps to open the medkit interface. This reduces animation lock, making healing faster and safer during incoming fire. Now, aim at the injured hitbox or your self-reticle and begin application. This aligns the medkit effect with the correct entity. Depending on medkit type, you'll either hold the use key for continuous heal or tap for instant application. Observe the progress bar to judge timing. Once the animation starts, make minor adjustments to cover movement. If an enemy appears, cancel and duck behind cover, then resume. This approach balances speed and safety in mid-session engagements. Finally, verify the heal by watching the HUD values and any status effect icons to confirm removal. This tells you if additional treatment is needed. After successful application, switch to defensive gear or reposition to avoid repeat damage, since medkits buy you time, not invulnerability. If the medkit fails, check 3 common causes: item cooldowns, item durability, and your connection lag. Address the root cause, replace the medkit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.